How can power be amplified precisely and greatly? The answer is this: our planetary gear motor. Its internal structure is like a miniature solar system. At the center is the sun gear. Around it are 3 or more precisely meshed planet gears. And on the outside is the ring gear housing. Power is distributed and converged through multiple gear contacts, achieving extremely high torque density and incredible stability. Thanks to this structure, and gears made of high-quality alloy steel with precision grinding, our planetary reducer can deliver greater torque in a more compact size, with lower backlash and higher accuracy. For this reason, it has become an indispensable core component of high-end equipment. From robots to precision machine tools, from automated production lines to medical devices, and even in the aerospace field, its presence can be seen. Choosing Taibong means choosing a reliable power solution. We are committed to providing your equipment with the strongest and most stable heart. Do you need to inject powerful and precise power into your equipment? Click subscribe now to get your exclusive technical solution.